Divers find body of the boy who was snatched by an alligator at Disney
Another
World.
alligator attack in Central Florida.
There's an alligator down this road somewhere. Yo! Here in Miami South Beach, baby. Just checking out this beautiful scenery. Palm trees in the city. And over here, it's the Miami boys. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Photo points.
Yes.
Kabais, Jeremy. We're here.
100%. That's what I'm talking about. People in London, they'll love you. They'll love you. Awesome, awesome. Let's explore. Is that freestyle?
I think that's freestyle.
Freestyle. That was genius.
Yeah.
I didn't realise Russians could rap. That's gonna be like me and you.
Yeah.
I'll be Snoop Dogg, you'll be the Russian rapper. Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah.
Out here in Miami and we flow. We got that flow like a yo-yo. They call me just an average Joe. But here I come with that dough.
I got a car. I got a chicks. I got a money.
You get those clicks, you get those views. Look at those sick shoes. But this was far from fun and games. This kid had extraordinary talent in rapping. If I could somehow convince him to make a rap music video, we could split the cash 50-50. But for now, I had a bus to catch. A disco bus? Prank zone.
Yes!
Miami is an old Indian.
It's time to see some alligators. The channel is called Skitz'n'Gigz.
Skitz'n'Gigz?
Skitz'n'Gigz. So make
Skitz'n'Gigz.
sure you subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe here on the...
And what's your channel?
Just my name and last name, Martina Franzini.
It's your chance. It's your chance to advertise.
Yeah, subscribe.
For those of you that know me, you know that my spirit animal is the alligator. And today, that's exactly what we're going to see.
Vulture. Iguanas are in fact vegetarians. If you don't read up
Iguanas are vegan like me. I don't know if we're going to see one or not, but I hope we do. That'll be my dream come true. One boy's dream. One boy. He wanted to see an alligator. Here he is, boy.
Alligators have 80 teeth in their mouth. They have 40 on the top and they have 40 on the bottom. It means that they do not see in front of them, they cannot see behind them. Alligators always see sideways.
Yeah, boy.
So if an alligator isn't looking at you,
my brother from another mother.
You.
Wait, what? Is that all? Is that the best we get? This is not how I envisioned it. My curiosity is far from satisfied.
There was only one gator.
You saw one, we saw two right next to each other. I feel like your tour guide was shit or something. You just didn't see the second one. No, but yeah, I mean,
at the right time.
I kind of want to like sneak out and find them, you know? I feel that
That's
way.
where you go in the wild.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch this.
I'll catch you in a bit. Alright guys, I've snuck off from the rest of the group. Gonna try see some alligators up close and personal. Alright guys, so apparently there's an alligator up here. There's an alligator down this road somewhere. Down this path. Where the fuck is it? Where could it be? Take these sunglasses off. Might help. Oh shit. We've got it. It's right here. I'll get as close as I can without going in the water because I'll fucking freak out, boy. Right here. Fucking hell. See that shit? Stalking an alligator. Shit, I'm very close now. It's a bit worrying. Actually, I'm not as nervous as I should be. Oh fuck! Oh shit! That scared the shit out of me. They're fast. Fucking fast. Woohoo! That's so fucking lit! Yeah! I'm an alligator, you're an alligator. I'm an alligator, you're an alligator. Hey! Fuck. The alligator's moving away from me, but it still made me nervous as fuck. I was like, what the fuck? You're coming at me, bro. Are we going? Do you see me about that? I was not scared at all, let's be honest. I was going toe to toe to that fucker. You saw that. He was scared shitless. He made a break for it. I was like, you coming, bro? As soon as he started moving, I was not scared. I didn't move the camera, wasn't frightened. I was about to ground pound that motherfucker. He's lucky he got away. Because when I would have been finished with him, he would have been finished. That's what I'm talking about. Go hard and then go home. Let's get over it. They're coming. They're coming for me. Yo, talk about GTA. Out here with my Russian boy.
Yeah.
We're just riding in the North Terminal Airport. We're about to take a flight, boy, and I'm not talking airplane. We're taking this chopper. Sergeant Night Owl, I'll be taking your questions. Such a beautiful place. The moment I stepped into Miami, I just knew that I belonged there. Tonight's my last night, but I've met some amazing people along the way, and we've shared some amazing moments. I've encountered some amazing animals, and I've pushed my limits as far as I could go. Spent a lot of money, but it was worth it. And now I have one last night to party, Miami style.
I'm in Miami, yes, drink all day, play all night, let's get it poppin'. I'm in Miami, bitch, everybody on smash.
Look at that confident face. That's a man who's made it.
I'm in Miami, yes, drink all day.
I got a car, I got her chicks, I got her clicks, I got her views, I got her shoes, I got the money, 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 money. I'm with all the palm trees, all the bitches on the knees. Your girlfriend calls me Big Papa, check me flying in my chopper. Fly so high, I'm on the moon, I'm the Russian rap tycoon. I'm Pablo Escobar, catch me at the disco bar. If you wanna fuck with me, I'll take you to the cemetery, yo.
I was meant to get a flight to Las Vegas. I've always wanted to go there. And I overslept. My phone didn't wake me up after an hour. I slept for 6 hours. Now I'm not gonna go to Vegas. Because I can't afford it. I'm in shit Miami with this shit weather. What is this? Fucking England. This isn't Miami. This is England. I'm gonna go home to England now, to my little home in Hailing Island, and I'm gonna cry. And I'm gonna tell everyone this terrible story. Or this terrible place. Fuck. Psych! I booked another flight for $150. That's nothing, that's nothing. Set me back a little bit, but anyway, Vegas is on the cards. And if you liked everything on this crazy travel vlog, you like Miami, make sure you pay a visit and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up. Big juicy one, you know what I'm saying, Scotty P, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, these videos will resume in Las Vegas, baby. Boom!